Hello, I am Diana Noriega Riascos. I am the student of the foreign language with emphasis in English. Today I will talk to you about my strength and stream and squeezing in English. My strength are a very ancient pronunciation and I can present myself in English. My will is are my pronunciation in English is not very good and difficult comprehension. My strength to improve my English level are I singers music in English. I practice in Duolingo or Card. I watch movies in English and I change my social new word from Spanish to English. Thank you.